No. And finally, backed by popular, no. It's 2024, and I am back with your first edition of the year of In the Water. I am Christine Brondyck, the Executive Director of Sweetwater Center for the Arts, and every month I come to you with all of the fun and engaging things that we have happening here at the center. Our winter-spring semester kicked off here at Sweetwater this past week, and coming up on January 22nd, we have an exciting 3-part series for mosaic heart making here in the Red Room, and that's for kiddos ages 7 to 10. So you can check out our website, sweetwaterartcenter.org, to sign up those kiddos who are interested in making mosaics. And then upstairs in the teaching kitchen, Chef Andrew will be hosting another popular Korean bistro night in January as well. Again, you can go directly online to purchase classes at sweetwaterartcenter.org. The staff here at Sweetwater are very excited about our first exhibition of the year, which is entitled Meticulous. It is a contemporary printmaking exhibition curated by Tennessee-based printmaking artist Sage Perrott. The opening reception is Friday, January 26th, and it's free and open to the public, so please come and stop down. But the exhibition will be open until March 1st, so you have lots of time to come see this new and exciting show. Backed by popular demand is our Folk February series, which starts on Friday, February 9th with the Pittsburgh-based Turpentiners, followed by the ever-popular Buffalo Rose on Friday, February 16th. And to wrap up the series on Friday, 23rd is an acoustic set by Byron Nash of Nashville. You can go grab your tickets now. They are $25 a piece, and you can get them at sweetwaterartcenter.org. And finally, there are still some spots left for our adult ceramic classes in the months of February and March. So snag yourself a spot and go to sweetwaterartcenter.org. That's it for us. We hope that you will come see us during this fall and spring semester. Get out of the cold, be creative, come see some shows, and I will see you again next month in February. Bye.